The block bottle device on the passing bottle track of the conveying bottle system make the bottles which came from the previous equipment stay in the bottling position, waiting to be filled in. The medicine goes into the medicine container in order by the vibration of the feeding corrugated plate. There's a counting photoelectric sensor installed on the medicine container. After counting of the medicine in the medicine container by the counting photoelectric sensor, the medicine goes into the bottle in the bottling position.